Hey, what's happening, man? So today I want to talk about a fragrance from Makin Scents called Peace Elixir, which is a clone of one of my personal favorites that I happen to be very particular about. On number 9's The Scent of Peace for Him. So how did they do? Before we get into the fragrance, as always, you know the drill. If you haven't done so already, stop what you're doing, subscribe, and ring the bell. And go! So like I said, ball number 9's A Scent of Peace for Him is one of my personal favorites. I love this stuff. I've been through multiple bottles and I hold it in very high standards. I've reviewed Alt Fragrance's version of this and I did not like it. I don't think they did a very good job personally. So how did Makin Scents stack up with Peace Elixir? Well, for starters, price-wise, they blow bond number 9 out of the water. I didn't realize how expensive this stuff has gotten. It's been so long since I got this last bottle of mine that I was pretty surprised. I went on eBay, I went on Amazon, I went on FragranceNet, I hunted around everywhere, and I can't find a 3.3 ounce bottle like this for under 175, 200 plus. I was pretty surprised by that because I got this 3.3 ounce bottle for like 150 when I bought it last time. So Makin Scents Peace Elixir, you can get this 17 milliliter bottle for 20 bucks. You can step up to a 30 milliliter bottle for 30 bucks. You can step up to a 50 milliliter bottle for $45, and you can step up to a 100 milliliter bottle for $65 actually. So phenomenal savings. They definitely got bond number 9 beat in the price category. Now, performance-wise, this one did pretty good. I got about 6 hours out of this. I've worn it a few times now, and yeah, it was around 6 hours, give or take a little bit. So nothing to sneeze at. I'm totally happy with that. But it didn't do quite as well as the real thing. To me, the Scent of Peace for Him is 8+ hours off of my skin. Really beastly, a lot stronger than Peace Elixir, but to me, that's not a deal breaker because 6+ hours is plenty if you ask me. Now, the scent itself. So like I said, this is one of my favorites. The Scent of Peace for Him is something I hold in very high standards. So they did okay. This one to me is about 85%, the Scent of Peace for Him. Unfortunately, their version fell a little bit short because the juiciness of the fruit notes and the overall brightness of the scent itself was not quite there. The Scent of Peace for Him is very mouth-watering, juicy fruit to my nose. The brightness of the fragrance is very amped up. I mean, this stuff is very, very nice. And of course, it's to be expected because of such a major price discrepancy, I guess. So you can make that argument. But this one still smells nice. A little bit flat, though. A little bit dull off of my skin. But still pretty good. I think if you wear this out and about, whoever smells you is definitely going to think you smell good. I just don't think you should run to this if you haven't smelled the Scent of Peace for Him, thinking you're going to really capture that DNA. Because if you get this, it's not going to really justify what you're getting if you spend the extra money and get the real thing. Now, I will say I think this has officially gotten pretty damn overpriced. I wouldn't pay 200 and some or more dollars for this stuff. I wouldn't. This is probably your best bet. But again, it falls a little bit flat. Not quite as bright. Not quite as juicy with the fruit notes, but it is what it is. For the price, what do you want? They did pretty good, about 85%. All right, I'm done rambling. You get the idea. Hey, like the video, man. Let YouTube know the video's worth a damn and the channel's worth a damn. It shows it to more people. It'd be helping me out. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. My God, how many times do I have to say it? Apparently a lot. Until next time, guys, take your vitamins, hit the gym, always stay improving. God bless, be well, I'm out.